Hey guys, welcome back to the Viggen repair project. I don't have a rust repair part 2 yet, but I have decided to work on the rust repair myself. I love this car and I just want to do everything I can to keep it on the road as long as possible. Hopefully I can post the next video on the rust repair. But for now, I'm just going to keep doing what I was planning, like the small fixes and maintenance and things like that. Because I'll be honest, if I look at rust all day, it's gonna get me down. So I need these small victories to keep me going. So today I'm going to be replacing my side marker lights. This one is from my driver's side and it fell off and doesn't want to go back in. So I thought it was a good opportunity to try something that I've seen and heard about, and it was pretty cheap, so probably can't lose out even if it doesn't work. So these are LED side markers made for Hondas. I got it on Amazon. If you're interested, I'll put a link down below. But these are the sequential type turn signals, and they are almost the same size as the stock ones, so I'll have to make some modifications for them to fit. But first I'll show you what it looks like when they're on. First is to push it towards the front of the car and pull it out like so. And these they go actually into the light socket. They don't have a connection for these, obviously. So I'm gonna put these on like that. So my plan to make these fit is to first unplug these and put this under the wheel well, plug the new ones in inside the body, and then these lights are a little smaller, but the body is bigger. So I think I'll have to cut this part, and there should be enough friction here to hold that in place. Alright, so now I have enough space to reach in there and have access to these lights. So what I'm gonna do is disconnect these two and then take this housing and connect it under the fender, and then it's a matter of plugging this in to the bulb socket. Alright, so there it is working. It is not hyper flashing and it's very bright. It's just as bright as the original bulbs. I do worry a little bit about the longevity of these, so I'll keep you guys posted on how these hold up. So compared to the work involved, it's just it's just 4 of these bolt or screws or whatever, and prying out the fender liner and making some cuts on the plastic housing of the new one to make it fit, but they fit flush with the body. So this is something fun, probably just a fun Sunday afternoon project. So if you guys are interested in one of these, I'll have the link in the description. So make sure to check it out and let me know what you think. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.